Page 22. Listening. A. Listen. Write the information.
I'm Adam. My father taught me how to play chess. 2 people can play. Each player has 16 pieces that you play on a board. Each piece is like a person. For example, you each have a king and a queen piece. You win the game when you are able to catch the other player's king. That's called checkmate. I'm Grace. My mother taught me how to play checkers. It's a fun board game for 2 players. Each player gets 12 round pieces. You try to jump over and take as many of the other player's pieces that you can. You win the game when you take all of the other player's pieces, or they can't move. I'm Sandra. My grandfather taught me how to play backgammon. 2 people played this game. Each person has 15 flat pieces to play with. You put the pieces on a board with triangles on it. You shake 2 dice to see how many spaces you can move. The winner is the one who gets all of his or her pieces off the board first.